And this is worth saying that you have to be on the lookout for AI. So immediately I see this one, and I'm thinking, I know of no iris variety that has spots like that. So I think that's AI. Absolutely stunning iris. I love irises so much. And what I love about this is that they've gone for the super crop, which is perfect because with these irises, now in the UK we call them bearded irises. I'm sure they have different names around the world because of this little beard part here. And you can really, because it's been cropped in, you can see that so beautifully. And now I think the main thing the main issue I have with this photo is something that is beyond the photographer's control, and that is this leaf. And it's gorgeous and it's photographed perfectly. But for me, it's blocking quite a chunk of that flower. So it doesn't spoil the composition, but it distracts from it. So if this was in my own garden, I would either bend the leaf down or I'd take it off because I can muck around with my own flowers. Oh, peony. Wow, look at this one. This is lovely. Okay, I love the softness of the peony petals. I love the fact that the center is sharp still. And to be honest, there's not much I would do about this. If it were mine, I would be very proud of this photo. But that Spitfire, and to see the pilot, this is one of those bucket list shots, isn't it, really? Gosh. This is brilliant. I have no idea how this was done, but I have never seen decayed petals or grass. Maybe it's a little bit noisy, so I maybe would just denoise it, but it's just, oh gosh, if only I could take a bird photo like that. Now, I do like a border if it's creatively used sometimes, and I think I love the fact that this petal here is breaking out of the border. It's almost trying to come out of the frame. You know that I'm super picky. This is just a stunning image, and congratulations to whoever took this. Okay, gerberas. This is interesting because it's almost like you've got a whole gerbera somehow inside, done as a composite, so it's inside the petals of a gerbera. I think that's what's happening. And I do like the creativity of something like this. Now, this, I'm just trying to work out what this is. I think this is an anemone, I'm fairly sure. And I love things from underneath. I love sort of alternate viewpoints. I love how the light is backlighting the petals. That's really beautiful. And I like the bokeh circles as well. Look at this background as complementary to the flower. I love it. And I love the fact that it's slightly darker at the bottom. I've been saying this. So it feels like it's coming up into the light. That's awesome.